chord for today, for this lesson, is the flat 13 sharp 9. I flat 13 sharp 9. I meaning you can take it to any key, but in this case we're using C, the key of C, where C is 1, D2, E3, F4, G5, A is 6, B is 7, C again is 1, or the octave out 8. Okay. When you continue into the next octave, then this D becomes 9, E could be 10, F becomes 11, G could be considered 12, and the A is considered 13. So basically the 2, the 4, and the 6 become 9, 11, and 13 in the next octave up. Okay. Well, what you have here is we say the I 13 sharp 9. So because I didn't say I major 13, that means that I would not use the 7 that's in the scale, which is a B. I'd have to use a B flat. I have to use a flat 7. Only if you say major, only if the chord says major, that you make it a major 7. Otherwise, you use the 7, the flat 7. Okay. So I got the 1, the 3. Remember, all chords are just every other note in the scale. So I got the 1, which is the root, C. Got the 3, which is E. The 5, which is G. Then I skip the 6, hit the 7, which I have to use a flat 7. Okay. Then D would be my 9, but it's a flat 13 sharp 9. So I have to sharp my D to D sharp. That means I go a half step up. Okay, if I come a half step down, that's flat. If I go a half step up, that's sharp. So I got C, E, G, B flat, D sharp, and then after my 9, you skip the 10, you're at the 11, which would be an F. But because we have the 3 in the chord, the 11 is a F, and that would clash. So then you don't play the 11, and then you skip the 12, and then you'll be at the 13, which is an A, but it's a flat 13, so you play A flat. So the chord is in the root position: C, E, G, B flat, E flat, A flat. Okay. Okay. D sharp and A flat is the same thing. I mean, D sharp and E flat is the same thing. Okay. Most of the times, I personally would leave the G out, the 5, and just play. So now I have the E, I have the C in my foot, I got the E, B flat, E flat, A. Okay, and that is your flat 13 sharp 9. Okay. Okay. This is a good passing chord. I just went from the C to a F minor. That would be F, E flat, G, A flat, B flat, C, E flat, G.